The Somaiya Vidyavihar University in the last few years, in order to strengthen its research infrastructure, has created a large number of center of excellences around certain specific scientific themes. An university is normally organized in form of faculty, in the form of departments, which perform teaching and research in their respective departments. However, if an interdisciplinary group of faculty members and students want to come together to use a facility, such facilities are normally created as central facilities. As central facilities, they are administered centrally. They are not part of any one department, but they are administered centrally by the university, where all departments, all students across departments have access to the facility. Furthermore, the concept of center of excellence enables you to interact seamlessly with external stakeholders. They may be academic stakeholders, they could be from industry, or they could be from the government. And therefore, the center of excellence as a centrally administered facility in a university enables interdisciplinary research as well as a broad training of students in interdisciplinary science. Somaiya Vidyavihar University created a center of excellence in analytical and measurement science. This is now called the Somaiya Shimadzu Center. And this was the first center that was created about 2 years ago, where in collaboration with a very well-known company called Shimadzu, we established several high-end analytical facilities under one roof. And this is now currently centrally managed, where every faculty member across all departments in this university have access to this facility. They can perform research, they can use them to support their ongoing research, and they can train their students on the use of these facilities. Subsequently, we also created a second center of excellence in computational sciences, which is basically providing the infrastructure for what we call high performance computing. And this high performance computing hardware and software were installed, and this is now functional. It is catering the entire university, and anyone from the university can come and use this facility. And now the third such facility we have just created is for the analytical pyrolysis. Analytical pyrolysis is a facility which is a pyrolyzer connected to a high performance GC mass, which enables us to understand structure and properties of organic material through pyrolysis. All these centers have a few unique characteristics. One, they have their own independent budgets provided by the university. Second, they are administered by a faculty coordinator. The faculty coordinator could be different at different points of time. It doesn't necessarily mean that the same person will be coordinating at all points of time. The third, that each of these centers have an independent scientific advisory committee, which consists of the stakeholders, which is basically academia, industry, and other stakeholders who meet periodically and understand what's going on in these centers, guide them, and provide the support necessary to make these centers productive as well as visible in the scientific community of India. All these centers that have been created in Somaiya Vidyavihar University are basically aiding interdisciplinary science learning and science research, where people from multiple departments, they could be from biology, they could be from life sciences, they could be from chemistry, physics, or engineering, could come on a common platform to define a problem and seek solutions using these centrally available facilities in the centers of excellence.